Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create Earth Zoom trend video using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. Here I have already created a project on my CapCut, and I'm going to create the Earth Zoom trend using this video, guys. If you want to create that, we can go to the effects menu. And you just need to search for the Earth Zoom effect. And unfortunately, it's not free. You need to subscribe to CapCut if you want to use this effect. Okay, the effect has been applied to my video, and I'm going to play it, guys, and let's see the result. Yeah, that's so cool. And let's see whether we can customize the speed or not. Oops, we can't. We can customize the speed, guys. So yeah, it's just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the Earth Zoom trend video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.